EORNA is the European Operating Room Nurses Association. Our main mission is to enhance the quality of patient care throughout our member associations in Europe in terms of safety and staff welfare. You can't put a cost on preventative measures for safety in the operating room. There's a lot of different strategies that have been brought into place, like risk management and standards of practice. Our key role is to ensure that the patient has a safe perioperative journey. If somebody was coming to the operating theatre, say to remove a kidney, it might be put in the prone position, which is face down on the operating table. The left kidney might become the right. If the wrong kidney was taken out, for example, the patient would be left with a diseased or traumatised kidney, and it would be devastating for the patient. That is the reality of what can happen if proper safety and preventative measures are not employed. There has been several strategies implemented in recent times. There's the WHO, the World Health Organization Checklist. It is a very powerful tool if used correctly. It is very valuable as a team to identify the patient correctly, identify the operation that the patient is to undergo, identify the correct site of operation and that it is marked.
We're definitely doing the left side, and you marked.
And say, for example, maybe that the patient has an allergy. Here in Hinchinbrook Hospital, I'm delighted to say they do use the WHO checklist with good effect. However, it is not the same everywhere. Even in the same country, you will have a variety of compliance. Say somebody gets a sharps or a splash injury which leaves them with blood on their hands or their gloves, and the blood is potentially contaminated. They touch another surface, they might touch equipment or tools, and then another staff member will come and handle them not knowing that they're contaminated. If somebody gets a sharp injury and they may contact HIV or Hep C or something, what is the personal cost to that staff member, even to the organisation, to the whole team? And then you've got the financial cost of that, maybe then the litigation, the reputation of the hospital. So it's very important to measure up the cost against the expenditure. It is very wise to spend now to ensure the maximum level of safety. Generally, the operating department is a very controlled environment. However, there can be an emergency situation and there can be very chaotic with people running here and there. Simple things like trailing flexes or leads loose on the floor can be a potential risk to the staff member rushing about. Slips, trips and falls, as we call them, can be one of the major cost elements in terms of litigation in the health service. When a patient comes into your hospital, they are putting their trust in you to provide the safest environment for their perioperative journey, to provide the optimum safety environment for patient care is to work as an effective team.